No. Okay, good. What is the TV series that was inspired of Harborview Hospital? Grey's Anatomy. How people call here the spheres, the Amazon spheres? You were paying attention. That's great that you remember that. Well, let's check it to your right. Just not so many things to say, but to your right, main offices of Starbucks. The flag is there. To your right. We are not gonna see too many things, but there is a part. Let's see if the trees are nice today. Well, not today. The Museum of Flight. You're not gonna see it well from here, but those who has really late flight, the Museum of Flight is a good way to just spend some time. It's only like 10 minutes from the airport. You can take an Uber and just go there. It's really nice. So if you have a really late flight, that's a good place. We are not gonna see very well from here, but yeah, it's good. Let's see if we are lucky, but I'm not telling too much because this is like lucky to see Mount Rainier, but it's kind of difficult. So I have to wait until just be in the road for talking. That's why. Because usually it's cloudy. It's very, very random when we see it. Yeah, I actually start taking photos every time that I see it. Last season I saw it like probably 5 times on it. So it's kind of difficult, but sometimes we could be lucky. From this moment, not so many things to say. 20 minutes or less to the airport. I will be giving some instructions once we get at the airport. And yeah, just let's you relax a little bit and we'll talk you back in, yeah, probably 15 minutes. Okay, enjoy your last minutes here. Enjoy our Emerald City, because as you see, we were at that crowded city and now we are getting just like the relaxed area. A lot of trees. It's just, that's why it's our Emerald City. It's just changing completely. And if we just drive 2 hours, we're gonna be at the mountain. So we got everything here in Seattle, Washington State, and that's what I love this place, because we have everything. So enjoy this last minute here, and I will just talk to you in like in 10 minutes more. Okay. entrance. From there you can walk and then you're gonna find all the airlines. They go in alphabetical order, so starting by Alaska. We have two places for parking, so it depends on what we find right now. But you're gonna stay here, please, 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Well, probably 6, because there are a lot of luggages. And Lou and me are gonna be unloading everything. Once we have everything set for you. I will come back and say you can go home or stay here with me. It's your decision. I want to say thank you. This was so exciting to come back. I love the season. I love tourists. I love all of you. Thank you for being with us. That was a pleasure for me and for Lou. And please give Lou a huge applause because he was amazing today. I mean, thank you. It was our first time together. I have to say he did it great. So thank you, Lou, for being with us. Thank you, all of you. I'm so excited, and I hope you come back because Seattle is an amazing city. If you want to stay, rent in the Smith Tower, you have still time. Okay, well, thank you again. Thank you for supporting locals. We are so excited about the beginning of this season that, well, we love all of you. Hopefully, you will be back here, and we will be waiting for you. So, thank you. Sorry, I said to thank you, but I'm so excited.
Thank you, Marta.
Thank you. Well, now you're gonna wait here 5 minutes. Be here and wait because we have to just unload everything. Let's see if we put the one.
Welcome to SBA Airport. We'd like to remind you that TSA has limited the items that may be carried through a screening checkpoint. Passengers should check with their air carrier for further information. Play fair and know it's small trip.
Ito yung Shuttle Tacoma International Airport. Ito yung dito tayo pa-check-in. Pauwi na tayo sa RDU. So, dito tayo dadaan. Ito yung sa labas dito. Ito yung sa labas ng Seattle International Airport in Washington. Hindi pa tayo nakapunta ng check-in or doon sa loob ng TSA. Kaya dito pa tayo. Dami ding mga pasahero dito. So, yan. May mga binta-binta dito. Binta doon, binta dito. Okay, dito na kayo. Palabas na tayo sa safety checking sa immigration. So dito tayo. Ito na yung pinakaloob nila ng airport ng shuttle. Ang dami yun. May nakapagkain pala dito. Saka dito. Hanapin natin yung A2. So, ayan. Ito yung sa loob ng airport ng shuttle. Ang daming mga pagkain dyan. Diyan ka pa. Table. Diyan ka mapupo. Yung runway doon sa kabila. Hanapin natin yung A2. Gate A2. Yan. So dito yung safety. And then dito yung mga souvenirs. Dito yung A. Hanapin natin. A2. Ito yung E, B, and S gates. So dito may mga souvenirs sila dito. So yan. Pero kung ako sa labas ako bumili ng mga souvenirs kasi mas mahal na dito. Maliban lang kung wala mo wala ka, hindi ka pa nakabili. May fish shack sila dito. Maganda, masarap yung mga pagkain dito kasi maraming kuwan sila isda, seafoods. Yan. Dito na tayo sa shuttle. Ito yung Shuttle International Airport. Yan, kita na. Welcome to shuttle. Kita natin. Baggage claim doon. Right. Punta tayo sa baggage claim natin. Ito yung loob ng Shuttle International Airport. May mga binta din sila. Ito. Yan, shuttle. Welcome to shuttle. Yung mga t-shirt nila. Ganda. Yan. $20. 1,000. Punta tayo sa baggage claim. Doon tayo. Tingnan natin kung saan yung baggage claim. Yan. Dito na tayo. Lakad na naman tayo. Yun, pag mag-travel ka, dapat malakas pa rin kasi mahirap din, malayo ang lakaran. Kaya kailangan may plano kayo mag-travel. Dapat malakas pa. Mahirap na pag doon tayo sa kabila. Yan, matakbo kasi late na. Yan. Ito yung lugar natin. Pasya natin na ito.